Hi there. My name is David Merrill, and I'm a bankruptcy attorney in West Palm Beach with the firm of Ozment Merrill. We're a bankruptcy firm that handles Chapter 7s, 11s, 13s, and 12s, and we're involved with most aspects of bankruptcy law in general. In addition, I also handle cases that are called adversary proceedings, which is a lawsuit in the bankruptcy court, and have had this practice, even though we're based in West Palm Beach and have an office in West Palm Beach. This practice is one that I enjoy throughout the state of Florida, and in fact, throughout the southeastern United States. While my partner Drake Ozment handles matters that involve consumer cases such as Chapter 7s and 13s, my practice is focused primarily on Chapter 11s, where you'll see sometimes it's individuals with complex business matters, but very often what we're dealing with, and more often, are businesses. And our firm has handled matters that, in the construction industry, real estate, manufacturing, healthcare, mostly privately held companies, but also publicly traded companies as well. Chapter 11 bankruptcy is what's known as reorganization, and that word by itself might be a little confusing in light of what people tend to think about what bankruptcy is. So most people think that there are only one, two, maybe three chapters in bankruptcy. In fact, there are 6 chapters available to people who are considering bankruptcy as an option. It just happens to be that 3 of them are chapters that most people don't participate in very often. One of the ones that people know the least about is something called a Chapter 15 bankruptcy. Now, 15 is an international cross-border case that deals with insolvency between one country and another. It's nothing that most people need to deal with. If you want to know more about Chapter 15s, schedule an appointment with us. We'll be happy to go into detail about that. But that's a very complex area of the law, very related to Chapter 11s, I might add, but they travel under their own rubric with respect to how the rules work, and sometimes there are international treaties involved, so we don't want to boggle our minds too much with getting into Chapter 15. This is David Merrill again, and I wanted to take a moment to thank you for taking the time to look through and watch the different information that we have for you on Chapter 11s and other chapters in bankruptcy. Drake and I at Ozment Merrill are happy to talk to you about any of these matters, and in fact, we offer an initial consultation that is free and would invite you to call us at 561-689-6789 at your convenience. We'll be happy to meet with you and talk about whatever the specific situation that you're facing is. Have a great day.